Everyone's talking, but no one's heard. Caught in the noise, we lost the word.